Mala ke tiang chai nyor ko dung dit media tiang jandang ra wude bangwan ka pai diech karon kinde dang ra wude jandang ra wude diech nung ko yelar tin la nung yen chang ka dung dit media ko chang tin to ko jinu Sudan an wala ke chang jandang ra wude bangwan te lo ko lar tin wan ti la tuk lar te ba ko nung ye ura ne ke te ji to ko korni dang ra te chu ba ka analyze ka ba ka nyakel ke ye mi la gor ne ni chang ke ye lengo tin go ka dung dit media an wan e u mi chiran jaw mi che jaw mi jak be share ka be like en wo che share bane ni wan kan be ku lu chup en wo che like be page me be ku lu kamnyal be promote char ga men chaga lar je ku tin ba ga lat bu ka te jiro lat ko ni ndang re u te ju ka chang ja nang re u badak ka ni chang ja nang re u ba wan wala pan chaga ye nung la te jiro lat ko ni ndang re u te ju dot jok men channeling by president ala deputy chairman of the SPLM IG Nibol Mel chawaga Uganda take dol mu dol ko Uganda the Great Lake region mu dol ke kwich kur la roda ko Congo cha wi to kon den tie ka Congo to Rwanda tin to Uganda tin to Kenya tin Tanzania ka South Sudan ka Burundi cha ka chol ka Kampala Museveni ko na roi ka kwich Congo so chibol mel ya won tongo and as we know Edward Michol Museveni it will focus only on Congo tembalat ku South Sudan question ne wona ne dol chol ne head of the state ala kwar lakin President Salva Kiir is not able to go to take a George Dangno Bolmel and this nang kon ga tiyen right na jor no ku President Salva Kiir jani so ko no chibul mel chawo and chere ga ta na chelat ku that summit tell me ku South Sudan ku concern tin ku cha question of South Sudan cha budong nial Museveni as agenda balat so it's not very important ku kon ku chawon ta mangai kon ne Great Lake region security na la ro Congo Rwanda amaladje the same like security mentaka South Sudan Uganda and Meladje so problem of South Sudan ko create Uganda ko kume bichi pel bichi the power ko support in the name of tribe danga family Salva Kiir ajen nung South Sudan kor will be prolonged for all these years the Ugandan power so Rwanda ko M23 ala Tutsi-led militia Tutsi-led rebel ko support fully ko Tutsi the same Tutsi to corner right Rwanda kan the same Tutsi to take a movement me ala M23 Dorkel mu kwa support the demandian to take a power Rwanda fully to fight in Congo to act in no gorge wood. So whatever the meeting is, and a doll como, including Rwanda, it will not work. Kudi, Rwanda taramku threat can Great Lake region countries. Cha threat Congo, cha threat Uganda, cha threat Burundi, cha threat Tanzania. You cannot talk about South Sudan. You cannot talk about Kenya. To tell like a border. Cha threat again. The core. So interest of the region could be defined in that way. Core can I support. Kuno as something which has no original support which has no continental support, and مثل international support, like Uganda. It will not work. There will be no money. It's not like the issue of South Sudan. It's a business, which is a business of South Sudan. We better tell me I agree. So it's very important to us. Mandodian internal struggle within the SPLA, alliance SPDF. So channeling go and Tiger, a presidential guide. Menja realaka ka gang Salva Kiir ka gang kuma ka dian ka gang jube menta gurun ka kon ngai kon. Ta ka internal resistance mi cha and transfer of power nan lat ka bol mel ci ka recognize. Therefore ci bol mel a step cha kwany go the organization ka Tiger chela cha commandor ka yaka wo cha ko moy new commanders. That is the issue of today and yesterday. Which means there is still a resistance to army. They know they cannot convince go bull mel come. And that is a question we always ask. Oh, bull mel be kwar benangade. Be kulat. But declare the parliament. But declare SPLM. Keep President Salva Kiir be resign. Who declaration of SPLM is when President Salva Kiir resign. Keep Mitchell do. SPLM could declare. So can go the corner the language corner. Go metaphor attack. The chance for Bolmel to get the power is very limited. Or maybe the story will be different. So a Michigan resistance is still going on in the army. Booming. Chabango point go in demilitarization in Juba. Juba chadi jana de Tiger. Canadian go ken to check a gadat to contrary Juba. Most of them chaga disarm, which take a teach me let go call pie wakelu. Much one can the Juba Jagatol, turning not. Chengu motor you do Juba, cherry locate to lure. Another main barrack, a Tiger. Chadi Uganda ya no raid. The Uganda link Japan get all equipment, Jalaga Torbialega, Jalaga infantry, Jalaga mechanized. So with the purpose of war in a bull mill, they will last quarter based on the agreement. Can you to Konaya pay permanently of President Salva Kiir Kel Bolmel. So, which work we contrast our independence, our sovereignty. We check our sovereignty is submit to a foreign power. I come Uganda. It's Uganda that have a decision. We don't have a national army. It's a national army. So, plus one and there is a resistance, the army. We look about power, about transfer to ball mill. Can this humiliation later audience? The result will not be good. And wrong a man quite humiliated, but organized in the name of nationalism. But any can again in Uganda, anytime. Again, Uganda positioned, as we always talk about it, yo. So, call you $31 million, yeah, come cash, can I link me down a ball mill, plus additional money they haven't took. I can go hardware, who transport to South Sudan, I can then go Air Force, could you look fuel, moye jat, mission the alfay. Can shells to call use for bombing all appreciate the idea in Uganda. So that money do talk very soon. Go as you know, with the regional acceptance, that Guam be object in Golomacel sauce, you wanna go. ken situation but South Sudan economy belong mo maintain again baga nang yo te ke jugal self care kel ke wonu yo bol mel until we go work lojo by themselves real arke. So Uganda position in South Sudan is a threat. You can compare it with any nation we were on foreign power be kume de be maintain without acceptance internally. It is a matter of time. We have many examples. Mando dien atasha wo ni Chief Justice kena deputy de charaj madut kena wuru mala shwala gar welu woyo ke take nati they are blaming it is unconstitutional this and this with ball mail and what lakini in reality process take on de kwanye ke can gara dara wo big take all these years as the Chief Justice chair and the deputy. It was illegal. So something that was not vetted. The parliament can endorse. Again, they cannot compete can position it. And we know constitutionally the world can do one. The judge, the Supreme Court, appoint permanently. There's only some reason they can allow war to jiki. It is like for life. It when I jaga phone without betting now, it is a matter of decision. Yantala kon lado wo kir give and kir take. The same situation bull mel give and bull mel take this time. It's surprising. Whatever it is. Because problem the and bull mel all in all is the same process they no encourage. It is illegal. No near it is illegal now for what you are. Milo de Tana and la roda ko watch our would need Chief Justice. Didn't cocaine shake a recap the security ray dora. Link on Nichang, go on Coronan and to one roken, the Yatin, Panga is still going on. So, you'll take a relative camp, bombardment. This about 12 to 15 hours. Tell me you're channeling. Lakin the core ground is still going there. Ko babure dan chakala dia ko chi stuck ke new fanga. Chawoka tunja jalo ka makal is still there. Tana ka process ke ko ne up to there ngube solution ke dung babura ke so to we talk about Nather yesterday and we research in Nather is very high. We have one long day in Nather, Dagapin. One pie buckle around 20 of June, but only Numut Faye. But only Jimut Penny, Kel the command. Shungu Malagu Deja, La Grand Force, they will scatter, big again. And the only thing we keep encouraging our people who you allow them. Yaga work. Kajal Mijik Bangradu, Yaka allow because who would have been one can the corner that I can encourage, go big a desert. So a Jarway and Nan and Tinian Tinino about Nather. So what to go kin, we are hearing them. Situation in an issue like a log. Major the trigger one. It seemed like cha cool down. Ko chere mena na yaga nung ye ko kor ni te chu won wol nya me ja mai be yot ko mo tot jaro lo jok lo ja ko wa cha wo yo ne kon ta ko wa do chu ba kan ni kon we don't have an issue to fight for tell me rar me jago yala is better tough to communicate ke government of Jonglei state chi wal ye jagal ko ter ni UN cha wo lo wo jo. So this is what we will know. So you talk and give no more lotion your order palping. Mandan and Kurora trends comments. Right, Miss Alade, Utongli, a car cubo. Tai work government of Jonglei state menanke commissioner. So read ko la ra jago ne kon low chine ye doro ko ken yani bija to ko kontikel we unite ourselves. It is true. Ijen luga jene tilat ke je te te mo lat ke tin. Lakini in reality e gore lo ka mentatin bija to ko kontikel it is lung lo ko dia. Bija to ko kanyirol then they con can corner shop there what we talk you are the same so janta na ne lode and which is true so mete ne loge je alish me rier mo talk ata na ne che lat ge so what can ka bentiu tele major things the jrodi lat ti chala ling tele many change and in time when in the situation take attends or those location she meant the Panyajiar, she meant Mayom, she meant Gualcokin, the Mayandi. So what the total attention, better writing, channeling according to Yuwaku, G. Rumbek, or a mobilize, who the court the Nuncan, Kapanyajiar. So no channel lip to contour and now still not clear. They are organized, they are ready, here they are still mobilizing. So the rock can be a long con in the Rajode long, and we call it a day. Thank you.